Hello friends. In this video, I will guide you through how to fix BlueStacks app player. Not opening the fix involves several steps. Firstly, close and stop the BlueStacks appy player. Now go to Settings and click on BlueStacks Multi-Instance Manager. Then click on Settings in this window. Go to CPU allocation and set it to half of your available CPU cores. For example, if you have 8 cores, set it to 4. Also go to memory allocation and set it to half of your available RAM. For example, if you have 32 gigs of RAM, set it to 16 gigs. Next, go to the Performance tab in the Task Manager and click on CPU. Click on the drop-down menu and select 4 cores from the available options. Then go back to BlueStacks Settings and click on Save Changes. Now go to Graphics and set the Graphics Engine Mode to Compatibility and set the Graphics Renderer to DirectX. Once you have made these changes, click on Save Changes and then click on Start in the BlueStacks settings. Now, BlueStacks should be working properly if it still won't open. Try closing and stopping the app player and then reopening it. If that doesn't work, try creating a new instance of BlueStacks using the BlueStacks Multi-Instance Manager and make sure to use a different version of the app player such as Nougat 64 or 11. Thank you for watching. Quick tweak.